Hello, this is Space Daily News channel. High in the Himalayas, a new telescope is set to observe the night sky. The contraption has a 4-meter length, but it's made of liquid mercury, a material seldom used for astronomical imaging. Called the International Liquid Mirror Telescope, ILMT for short, the device's main component is a layer of liquid mercury that floats on a very thin layer of compressed air. The quicksilver rotates, taking a parabolic shape in the process, useful for focusing light from the night sky. By placing a camera at the focal point of the paraboloid, astronomers will then be able to image objects in the sky. At first glance, the telescope's mirror appears to be an ordinary reflective surface, but it's made of liquid that was shipped up the mountain. Though it's perfectly safe, and according to the ILMT team, it is an affordable alternative to other telescope mirror materials. The main advantage is the relatively low cost of a large liquid mirror compared to a large conventional telescope mirror. The cost of the ILMT is about 1/10 that of the 3.6-meter optical telescope, a conventional telescope of about the same size and located at the same place. The ILMT sits over 8,000 feet above sea level on India's side of the Himalayas. It will explore a strip of sky directly overhead that contains hundreds of thousands of galaxies and several thousand quasars. By imaging the sky nightly, astronomers can deduce what objects are changing in the sky over time. The telescope saw its first light in April, but scientific observations won't begin until later this year. When fully operational, the telescope will collect 10 gigabytes of data nightly. Space Daily News with Julia. Stay tuned!